Welcome back to another quick tutorial about Windows PC security settings. And today's video, I will show you how to see all your Windows PC protection history to know where exactly you are likely to be attacked on your Windows PC as far as security settings is concerned. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Go ahead and click on Start. Then go ahead and make sure you navigate to Settings. The next thing you want to do is to come down below right here, click on Privacy and Security. Under Privacy and Security, go ahead and click on Windows Security. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on Protection History. Then you have details about your protection history right here. Set up OneDrive for file recovery option in case of a ransom attack. So you can click on here and click on Add to set up your OneDrive in order to back up your file right here. Lastly, go ahead and setting to block potential unwanted app are turned on. Your device may be funneling. Go ahead and click on here and go ahead and click on Action, then switch to turn on. Allow the turn on right here, and then once you are done, it's going to be successfully turned on. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about security and privacy protection on your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.